Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing awesome. In today's video, I'll show you how to buy the Royal Pass in PUBG Mobile so you can unlock exclusive rewards and team through the Royal Pass. So let's dive right into the video. First, open your PUBG Mobile app and log into your account. As you can see, I'm already logged into my account. Once you are logged into your account, tap on the Royal Pass icon on the main screen. This is the Royal Pass icon right here, and you will see your current progress and rewards that you have unlocked currently. You have two options to get the Elite Pass or Elite Plus Pass, that is the Royal Pass. Elite Pass Plus unlocks all the rewards instantly but costs more UC and is more expensive for you. So simply tap on Upgrade Pass and you can purchase any of these two. As you can see here, Elite Pass or Elite Pass Plus. Simply tap any of the one you want to buy. Then select your payment method, Google Play, App Store or other in-game options and confirm the purchase. If you have already got the UC on your account, this process is not shown on your ID. Once purchased, you can start completing missions and collecting exclusive rewards from the Royal Pass itself. It is as simple as that, and that's it guys. You now know how to buy the Royal Pass in PUBG Mobile. If this video helped you out, like, comment and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.